One of the best food you could savor is the most original, untampered fragrance nature could offer. Introducing Log Smokehouse, a dainty restaurant located at a serene corner of Jalan Puau Hin Leong, in the heart of the famous UNESCO World Heritage accredited Georgetown. One could smell the tantalizing aroma from many miles away. Our farm-fresh chickens are marinated for 24 hours with an array of herbs and mouth-watering spices, before being smoked to perfection over slow fire from 100% real wood. Make it a point to indulge yourself and your family over a hearty meal of authentic smoked chicken and yummylicious side dishes. And see that wonderful smiles on their faces. Log Smokehouse, a taste of the best premium smoked chicken.